Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Bradley YT and welcome back to another crypto video. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum again. So basically let's just get straight into it. We're going to do an update basically from yesterday's video. So in yesterday's video I basically, this is where I kind of made the video around this area here. So basically we made a bullish flag pattern here on the 45-minute chart. And basically, if we were to break towards the downside, then we would be retesting this support level here of $22,800. And we did do that. So we obviously broke through that, come down to retest support here, and then we obviously bounced back up towards the upside, and then came up to around $23,700 today. Once we did that, we basically got rejected, and then obviously come all the way back down here. And now currently we are forming a bearish flag pattern. So as you can see here, we're forming a bearish flag pattern here. And if we do break towards the downside of this, the downside potential would be this this red candle here. So we'll basically be breaking through this next support level here, and then coming back down to around $21,800 for Bitcoin. If we do break towards the upside potential would be this green candle here. So if we do this, so if we do obviously break above this bearish flag pattern here, then we should be coming up to around $23,000. But as you can see here, we are just trading sideways at this moment in time. The RSI is starting to head towards the upside as well. Well, yeah, hopefully we do head back towards the upside, and then the yellow line comes down here, and then we start to tick bullish. If we head towards the 1 hourly chart, this is just going to be a quick video as well, by the way. I'm not going to go as in depth as I usually do, just because it's the same sort of thing. But there's not many things playing out at this moment in time. We're now just coming back down to support. So I'm just going to go through the time frames very quickly for you guys, just for another update, and then that'll be that for this video. So basically, as you can see here, it's the same pattern here on the 1 hourly chart. It's a bearish flag pattern. If we do break towards the downside potential will be the same as this red candle here, which would mean that we'll be coming back down to support of $21,800. If you break towards the upside potential will be this green candle here. So if you do break towards the upside, it will be around $23,000 if we break above this bearish flag pattern here. As you can see, the RSI is sort of heading back towards the upside, which is nice to see. If we head towards the 4 hourly chart, the 4 hourly chart is showing a bearish flag pattern showing here. And as you can see, yesterday I did basically show this bullish flag pattern here forming, and we obviously did break towards the upside a little bit, but we didn't obviously reach the target that we wanted to. Yeah, we actually kind of did. It was around $23,700. Yeah, so we did do that. And then we very quickly got rejected, then come back down, and now we created a bearish flag pattern. Once this bearish flag pattern, so it's not a bearish flag pattern just yet, until this green candle closes, then it'll be a confirmed bearish flag pattern. So if we do break towards the upside of this, let me just adjust it a little bit. So if we break to the, no, let me just adjust this a bit as well so you can see it a bit clearer. So if we do break towards the downside potential will be this red candle here. So as you can see here, we'll break below this bearish flag pattern and come back down to support of around $21,700. If we do break towards the upside potential will be this candle here. So that would mean that we'll be breaking up to around $23,300 if you break out of this bearish flag pattern on the 4 hourly chart. If we look at the daily is the same. As you can see, we are still in this bullish flag pattern here on the daily chart, so that's still quite nice to see. So as you can see, obviously on the upside potential, the upside potential will be around $26,600. Nope, that's wrong. Yeah, $26,600. And if you break towards the downside potential will be this support level here, or $21,400. So that's it for Bitcoin. If we head towards Ethereum on the 45-minute chart, we obviously broke below this bullish flag pattern here, and now we formed a bearish flag pattern, which we are actually currently breaking out of right now. So that is that there. So if we do break towards the downside potential will be this red candle here. And if we do break towards the downside, we should be coming back down to around $1,458. If you break towards the upside potential won't be that much, to be honest. We'll basically be coming up to around $25,050. But as you can see, the RSI is heading back towards the upside, so hopefully we should be ticking bullish soon and breaking out of this bearish flag pattern for Ethereum. If we head towards 1 hourly chart, the hourly chart is the same. The upside potential is a little bit bigger, so if we move this here, upside potential, if we do break out of this, which it looks like we are about to, we should be coming up to around $1,560. If you break to the downside potential will be this red candle here, and then it will basically mean that we'll be coming back down to around $1,460. If we head towards the 4-hourly chart, as you can see, it is a bearish flag pattern. The downside potential will be a little bit bigger. So if you break towards the downside of this, then the downside potential will be around, let's just get rid of these. The downside potential will be around $1,440. If you break towards the upside potential will be this green candle here, which is obviously a bit bigger than before. So that would mean if we do break towards the upside, we could be pumping back up to around $1,600, which would be quite nice to see. And as you can see down here on the RSI, we are sort of heading back towards the upside, which is quite nice to see as well. If we head towards the daily is the same. So as you can see, we are in a bullish flag pattern still. And basically, my prediction, if we do break out this bullish flag pattern for Ethereum, then we should be coming up to around $1,900, which is what I'm hoping for Ethereum. We are just trading sideways here, so we are just deciding what to do. We just come up to retest resistance here, and then we obviously come back down to support. So we come up, get rejected, come back down to support, bounce back up, get rejected. That's basically what we've been doing the last few days. So today, yesterday, so 4 days we've just been going sideways basically. But I am hoping for upside potential. I'm hoping that once we do hopefully break out of this bullish flag pattern on the daily for Ethereum, we should be coming up to around $1,900, which would be very nice to see. And if we do obviously break towards the downside potential will be around $1,370. So that's it for today's video. I know it was quite boring, but it was just a quick update. I'll try and do a better video for tomorrow, but I'm not really feeling too well. But anyway, I still wanted to get the video out. So I know it's boring, but I've just done an update. So hopefully that's helped for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on tomorrow's one. And I hope you have a nice rest of the day or evening or wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.